Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. I don't know if you saw the video or if you remember, I cut some flowers out of my garden, the zinnias, and I preserved them in silica gel. So it's been several days. What's today? Today is Labor Day, September 2nd. Is Labor Day is 2nd, 3rd? I don't even know. However, I placed them in these containers to dry them out. So it has been at least a week. No, get it together, Tracy. Second. I did these on when? Put a date on here. Oh, I did it on the 26th. So it's been about a week. Let's take these out and see what they're looking like. I wanted to preserve the first flowers that I grew, these zinnias, out of my garden. I'm going to see what they look like, store them away for later use. So let me take you down. Let's do this first one. Shake it off a little bit. I think I have two in this one. And each zinnia is different. Now I need to see if I can get up underneath here without breaking my flower. Hold on. I'm going to get a container to pour this in. Okay, let's pour most of this off slowly, because I don't want the petals to fall off. They're very delicate. So that should be enough to get this first one out, maybe. So they're dry and delicate, so you handle with care. It retains its color and it is dry. It is so pretty. So I just take a soft paintbrush and gently get the little particles of silica off where it's stuck. How pretty is that? Wrong way. Very nice. So I'm going to put them in an airtight container until I'm ready to use them for some art purpose. Probably epoxy resin. Now, is there another one in here? Yes, there is. So let's pour the rest of this. Oh, most of it. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Okay, I got it. And this is a smaller one, and it's more vibrant in the purple color. I don't know which way to go with this thing. So pretty. Okay, move this out of the way, and let's do this next one. And I'm not sure, I don't remember if this was a big one or several. And these are just small pieces from previous flowers that I dried that fell off and stay in the silica gel. I said gelica. All right, let's take some of this off. This might be just one flower. It is. I believe it is. So let's get most of this gel off. See if I can get up underneath here and hold on to it. There we go. And I'm just lightly tapping on my finger to knock off as much of that silica gel as I can. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. How pretty is that? And look at the vibrancy of the color. Now I believe these are the only three that I did on camera when I was preserving them in the gel. However, I did a few more on that same day. So let's pour this off. And these are smaller. Is it just one? Yeah, it's one. Well, this is a medium-sized one. You know, I put them in here and forget what I've done. Okay, let me tap my hand and get some of that off. And if I have to, I'll use the paintbrush. But there's another one. Now that one had dried up a little bit around the edges before I put it in the silica gel. So it preserved it just as is. And let you see the back of it. That's what the back is looking like. Really, really beautiful. And these are for my garden. That's what's so awesome. Okay, now, several days later, a couple days later, maybe the next day, I don't remember. Let's see what date I've got on these. I did some more because I was cutting those zinnias back so that more can grow. So on the 28th, so 2 days later, I did a couple more. Let's see if these are done. And I don't know if you hear the background, but I'm listening to, as I work, I'm listening to Marilyn and Lady Patrice, Craftable Things. Oh, this one is so pretty. This one is pink. Just trying to get most of this gel out of this container and then grab onto. Okay, there we go. And let me tap my hand to knock off as much as I can. That seems to work pretty good. It's ready as well. A pink one. Beautiful. And I have more. You know, while I was at it, I had enough silica gel to use. I just put the rest of them in so they can be ready approximately the same time, which they are. And what else do I have outside? What's it called? Nasturtium? A beautiful orange flower. I want to see if I can preserve some of those. Now that's pretty. I can get this one out. Oh. They're delicate, so just be careful. And I'm going to hold it like this and tap my hand. So I haven't had to use the paintbrush too much. There's a little bit in the stamen, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. There's the next one. Whoop, wrong way. How beautiful. This is going to make a beautiful art piece. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's another purple one in here, a smaller one. Let's get that one out. And you can use the silica gel over and over. It has these blue particles in it, and when they turn, is it pink? You know that it's too moist. And when it's too moist, you can put it in a tin pan, place it in your oven, I believe at 200 degrees, and keep it in there for an hour or two, and it will dry back out. Or you can just put it in a pan and let the pan just sit for some days, and this will restore itself, and you can use it over and over. There's a tiny one. Wrong way. I'll get that right one day. Beautiful. Okay. Believe it or not, there's more. Yeah, I kind of got carried away. I cut them all back. So let's do this. And this one I didn't have a top for, so I just covered it with press and seal. And I think it's a different color. If I'm not mistaken, this one's yellow. I'm not sure. Yes, it is. It's yellow. So I'm going to tap most of this off that I can. Is it done? Yes. Oh. Let me tap it. There's that one. It's a pale yellow. I might have to get another container because I don't want to stack them. I don't know if I can or not. I don't know. Here's a tiny one. Let's see what I put in here. Oh, another purple one. A small one. Oh. Tap it. Tap your hand. Don't tap the flower. And another little purple one. Pretty, pretty. Okay. And then once I'm all done, I'll put this back in the container that it came in until I'm ready to use it again. Because my dots are still blue, so it's not moist yet. Another yellow one. Beautiful. Beautiful. Couple more. I'm almost done, y'all. I love doing this. It's so pretty, and I love making the resin pieces with it. This might be a couple in here. A couple small ones, I think. Oh yeah, look at this tiny one. Let's see if I can get that out. How cute is that? It's a little scraggly. A magenta? A deep magenta? Okay. All these containers. Got one more container and I am done. I don't know if I want to risk putting more in there. Let me just use one of these. Looks like more magenta ones, purple. Is it one? I think it's only one in here. Oh, oh, oh. There we go. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So it's interesting to me how some of the Zinnias, they're so different. Like this doesn't have that big bulb in the middle or whatever that is. So see how some of them just have, they're full of just petals. Some are open up like that without that big stamen in the middle. And then you have these here, which are so unique with the big stamen. Let me get it out. I think that's what that's called, don't quote me. With the big stamen, and then it has little bitty flowers on the top of that. So, so unique. But anywho, I'm babbling now. I am done with, oh, I just lost the petal. Doggone it. That's what I said there. They are delicate. But there we go. So, so pretty. Tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And have yourself a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Thank you. Toodles.